Let's talk about the different ways you could get a permanent residency in the United States, also known as a green card. The most popular way is to get married to an American. An American citizen can file for any foreign national legally in the United States and can get them legal status and green card very, very quickly. It's highly recommended. If you're in love with an American, marry them and get your green card. The other way of getting a green card is through employment. You can get a green card by your employer sponsoring you. Generally, it requires them to prove that there are no qualified U.S. workers through the PERM labor certification application. Then they file an I-140 petition for alien relative, and then they file an I-45 application to adjust status, assuming you're physically here in the United States and you want your green card. That's employment-based. Another way of getting permanent residency in the United States is to file for asylum. An asylum application requires you to show that you've been persecuted or have a reasonable fear of persecution on account of your race, religion, national origin, or membership in a particular social group. If you file for an asylum, just know that it might take 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 years before you get a decision, and you wouldn't be able to travel back to your home country ever until at least you become a U.S. citizen. There are other ways of getting a green card. One way you can do right now is the diversity visa lottery. That is the fourth way of filing for a green card. And you can just sign up if you're from a country with low rates of immigration to the United States and you have at least 2 years of education or experience post high school. You could qualify. You just need to file an application. You don't even need an attorney. Just FYI. And the last way is to file to get a green card is for your family members to file for you. U.S. citizens can file for their parents, their siblings, so meaning their brothers and sisters, their married children and their unmarried children, as well as their spouses and fiancés. Permanent residents in the United States can file not for their parents, not for their siblings, not for their married children, but for everyone else, for their spouses and for their unmarried children. So if you need a green card and you might have any of those options, contact World One Law Group and we'd be happy to walk you through it, happy to help you with the paperwork, and we'll make it easy for you. Contact us today.